Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01780 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have logged into SQL Plus Editor as a common user called C#Escort. Now I am executing one query, comment on table user comments. Yes. So I am adding some comment to the table called user comments. Let me execute this query. So you can see ORA-01780 string literal required error is thrown, which means that that string letter should be enclosed with single quote. So instead of that, I have enclosed with double quotes, which is the cause of this ORA-01780 error. So now I have corrected the SQL statement. Now you can see that comment is created. So you can view the comment by logging to the SQL developer. So click the details tab, you can see the comments. Okay, comments are added here to the table. So this is the fix for ORA-01780 error. Make sure that comments are enclosed in single quote.